Okay, so what we're gonna do in here to show you that we are going to paint the blades on the ceiling fan, and we are going to also replace these 4 coverings. Right now they are not the cutest, and we love, this is actually my husband's favorite room in the cabin because he loves the view. He said that if he could probably just have his office here. So I don't know what he's gonna do with this room. Right now they had a kind of like a table for, I don't know, it looks like a sun lounge in here. Anyway, that will be, we've moved half of it. So this is the before, and I will show you the after. Okay, once you take the blades off, make sure, my husband was like, this is the perfect time to dust, and he has also taken off the other previous things. We've got new cages, we got new LED lights, because my husband is all about, what are you about? And saving money, right? So yeah, so these are, we're just gonna throw, we could donate these, but because they all didn't match, we'll probably just, they're crusty, broken, so we're gonna just get rid of these. My husband loves to go to the dumpster, not even kidding. And these are really nice, so I will show you a photo after we add the other things.